everyone and welcome back. Today I'm working on a new look for the shelf in my kitchen. I thought it would be fun to pull together some of the blue and white items that I've been finding at the thrift store lately and see if I could create a fresh new look for this space. To get started, I left the 3 cutting boards on the shelf from a previous arrangement to use as a backdrop. Then to the center of the shelf I added a small chunky cutting board to add some height. I then stacked a sweet enameled blue and white teapot on top. To the left of the teapot, I stacked 2 soup bowls with cute little handles. And next to them, I placed a blue and white cream and sugar set. Not really liking the fact that everything was the same size, I decided to add a stack of small white plates under the creamer. This did a great job of adding some interest to this side of the shelf. Moving to the opposite side of the shelf, I placed another blue and white teapot near the end. To the left of the teapot, I stacked 2 bowls. The 2 bowls made a great place for this vintage Coco Shaker, which I found at a flea market. And then at the last minute, I decided to add a small white creamer pitcher next to the teapot. And finally, back into the middle of the shelf, I added 2 milk glass spice jars to the mix, which I found at the thrift store not too long ago and I've been wanting to use somewhere in my kitchen. To the hooks below the shelf, I added some pretty tea towels, which I made from vintage sheets. I have a tutorial on how to make these on my channel, and I'll make sure to link that in the description box below. And with that, my friends, I was done. A quick and easy refresher for this simple kitchen shelf. I am so pleased with how this area turned out. It makes me want to redecorate the rest of my kitchen, which I may have to work on. Thanks so much for watching today. I appreciate you stopping by and hanging out with me. Hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you again very soon. Bye now.